set you up for disappointment in evening entertainment. But tonight there'll be some love. Tonight there'll be a ruckus, yeah, regardless of what's gone before. I want to see all of the things that we've already seen. I want to see you take the jackpot out of proof machine and put it all back in. You've got to understand that you can never be the bandit, no. And she won't be surprised that she won't be shocked when she's pressed the star after she's pressed her love. And there's verse and chapter sat in her inbox, and all that it says is that you've drank a lot. And you should bear that in mind tonight, bear that in mind, yeah, you should bear that in mind tonight, bear that. And you can pour your heart out, but a reason it will block. Oh, when you send her after 9 o'clock. Surprised and she won't be shocked when she's pressed the star after she's pressed her love. And there's verse and chapter sat in her inbox, and all that it says is that you've drank a lot. And you should bear that in mind tonight, bear that in mind, yeah, you should bear that in mind tonight, bear that. And you can pour your heart out around 3 o'clock when the 2 for 1's and done the righteous block.
How you doing? My name is Coach Simpson. I've been a track assistant coach. I work mainly with the mid-distance. We had a great successful season this year with the boys and the girls, and I'm looking forward to next year. Those graduates, I wish them the best in college, and they know I'm only a phone call away, so if they need any more additional workouts, we can always see what we can work out for you. But other than that, it's been great. Looking forward to states this weekend, and hopefully you all are there and bring back a state championship. Take care. Where do you want us to do this? Signing off.
Hi,
I'm Coach Henshaw. I coach the hurdlers and anything else that I'm asked to do. We've had a great year. The boys have done a fine job and the girls have been outstanding. I wish all the seniors good luck and come back next year and help us coach the young people.
First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. We're your 2011 girls 4x8 team. Hey girls, it's about that time. Uh-oh. Get on the line. I'm just kidding.
Hey, I'm Garrett O'Leary. I run track. On a good day, Coach Harrington only yells at me once. Just kidding. I like her as a coach and I like track. It's fun.
Hi, I'm Coach Harrington. It's been an exciting year for the boys and girls track team here at Huntingtown High School. I'm very proud of everyone. The boys had a wonderful season. We're starting to build a bigger and stronger team, and I'm looking forward to the future. And the girls had a spectacular year. They were regional champions and state champions. One day at practice, I made a promise, and I will always keep my promises. Unfortunately, I can only pick the cooler of water up this high. I can't dump it on my head. So girls, our promise is a promise. I said I would dump a cooler of water on my head. So here's the cooler of water. Congratulations, state champs! I got my stuff so wet! I know I owe you a few more, but that's all that's out here, and that's all you've got. Thanks for a great season.
I hate running. That's why I'm a thrower.
For real though, know what I'm saying?
You know, I gotta put the team on our back though, for real though. Don't put that in.